To boost your confidence, okay? Sa pick-up kasi, you learn two things. Confidence, boosting confidence, and competence. Marami kasi sa atin na yung parang, oh, kaya ko yan, kaya kong gawin yan, kaya kong mag-approach. Sino dito mahina sa approaching? Sino dito, pag nakita niyo yung girl, you don't know, like, okay, thank you. Imagine that's the girl. That's the girl. How to approach her? Like, phone. Proximity. Yeah. Okay lang. Okay. Wala na. Alright. Next. Sino dito yung I need to say hi. I need to say hi. I need to say hi. Miss, alam mo yung papuntang Starbucks? Right? Straight dito, straight. Tapos left. Oh, straight left. Okay, ito. Itong line na to, straight, tapos left, no? Tapos right. Sige, sige, thank you, ha. Basta straight lang, tapos left, no? Sino sa inyo yung ganyan? Yung like, you keep the conversation flowing na wala namang kakwenta-kwenta. Right? What time is it? Like 12. Sigurado ka 12? Yeah, like 12. Oh, 12 na nga. 12 na talaga. Confidence and competence so different. Para kang mag-high skydive na parang may, alam mo yun, may confident kang tumalon but you don't know how to open your parachute. Dapat tuloy-tuloy lang yun. Because confidence is only for 3 seconds. When you know the approaching technique, your confidence is gone. Okay? AA, never be gone. Sinong may AA dito? AA means approach anxiety. Pag nakikita nyo yung approach, pag nafe-feel nyo yung approach anxiety, you feel like, you know? Parang approach anxiety or the first minute resistance. Okay? Again, approach anxiety means first minute resistance. Alam mo yung part na sinong virgin dito? Be honest. It's okay. Okay, lahat kayo may experience na. What you feel before sex is last minute resistance. Alam mo yung ninenervyos ka rin. Paano na to? Paano na to? Shit. Hawakan ko siya. Shit, halikan ko na. The same feeling as you feel as first minute resistance. Ganun din yung nafe-feel mo parang, paano to? Approach ko na, right? Parang ganun rin. Sa last minute, sasabihin mo, hawakan ko na. Ha? Halikan ko na. Ang baho. So, anyway, that's first minute resistance, the confidence. So, you just need to follow the rules. We've been talking about this like 6 years ago, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa na ma-master yung mga tao. I feel it, alam mo yung nafe-feel mo yung approach anxiety na parang, hindi ako mag-approach. That's my mistake last night. I didn't follow the rule. Because I'm too confident na, okay, I can pick up girls. Shit. Pag nandun na ako, shit. And then the funny thing is, the more na pinu-force ka, the more na nanggigigil ka, the more na hindi ka makapag-approach. I was like, dude, man, HB? Huh? Approach mo? I guns. Approach mo. So, the more na pinupush ka ng isang kaibigan, the more na hindi ka nakaka-approach. Trust me. You have to learn how to talk to a friend or a student to make him approach. Don't push. The more you push, nabebeta siya. Alright? Hindi nyo ba na-realize na pag may wingman kayo, tapos may set, once na nagkaroon ng excuses yung isa, magkakaroon rin ng excuses yung isa. Like, approach mo. Teka lang, tol. Masakit pa yung gilagid ko. May singaw. Or sasabihin ng isa, ikaw na lang. May boyfriend, tol? How'd you know if na may boyfriend? Grabe naman tuition mo yan. Ano yan? Prediction. May boyfriend, tol. May kausap sa phone, yung boyfriend niya. Ano yun? Naririnig mo yung nasa usap mo. Kalokohan yan. Right? Anyway, so, you need to learn pick up. Boost your confidence. It's not about picking out women. It's not about talking to people. Sobrang marami kayong taong makikilala. Especially like on business, work. Okay, next one is to improve your conversation with women. Okay? What we're gonna teach you guys is we're gonna teach you how to, what are you going to say and how you say it in a first to last, building a relationship, and then breaking up. Alright? Why? Why break up? Why we teach guys how to break up? First, na-realize nyo ba na babae lang lagi namimili kung sinong gusto nila? Like, 5 kayong manliligaw, tapos isa lang yung babae. And then what's next? Sinagot niya kayo. Naging kayo. Okay? Naging kayo. Ngayon, she realized na you're not that kind of guy. You're not that kind of like the alpha male. You're not that provider guy. But she likes you. The problem is, kulang. Ngayon, anong ginagawa niya? Cheating on you, and then break up with you. Right? Anong pinaka-number 1 na the best way how they break up with you? Cheat. Ano ba? It's not you, it's me. It's not you. It's me, babe. Third, it's not working anymore. Parehong-pareho na lang natin ginagawa lahat-lahat. Right? I have to focus on my goal. May gusto na akong iba. Or, cool off muna. Tapos break. Sinong nakipag-cool off dito, hindi na bumalik? Sino yung nag-approach, I like you, kinaumagaan, ayaw ko na niya? Right? Sorry, man. But, that's reality. It's not actually a movie. Di ba yung mga movie, pag nagbe-break, parang si Basha at saka si ano? Yung si Basha, nakamit ng isang alpha male, tapos, the end of the day, naging sila pa rin. Nangyayari ba yun sa mundo? Maybe, right? But is it all the time? No. But anong nangyayari most of the time? When the girl doesn't like you anymore. Kahit anong gawin mo. May kakilala ko, actually, is my student. Brinake siya ng ex niya, ng girlfriend niya. Sabi niya, cool off muna tayo. Ngayon, nakita nung guy na to, yung student ko na to, na may kasama ng ibang guy yung girlfriend niya, that day. O sabi niya, babalikan ko siya. He bought flowers, chocolate, na sobrang mahal. And then from 2 o'clock hanggang 10 p.m., nasa harapan lang siya ng bahay nung inihintay niya. Grabe, ganun niya kagusto yung girl. Pagdating ng girl na hinatid ng bago niyang boylet na may car, what's next? Pagbaba niya, what's next? Oh, ba't ka nandito? No, gusto ko makipagbalikan. Flowers and chocolate for you. Alam mo sabi ng girl, ano ba, Vince? Ayoko na. Tapos na tayo. Umuwi ka na. Not even a minute. Pumasok yung girl. Sayang yung flowers. Sayang yung chocolate. Time, effort, investments. And then gone. Ngayon, from the girl's perspective, isipin nyo rin naman yung girls. Kung bakit niya ayaw yung guy na to. Which is, he's doing everything na eh. Ngayon, iisipin ng madlang people, sasabihin niya, ang tanga-tama mo, girl. Lahat na nang binibigay niya, yung guy na to, binibigay niya na sa'yo. Bakit hindi siya? Bakit yan pa? Di ba? But the madlang people don't know the reality. The reality is, if a girl, nakita niya na you're beta male, this girl will find a guy, an alpha male. The guy, I will say the PUA personality, not the chode personality. Kaya pag nakikita niyo yung mga Alam mo yung ano, may bagong trending sa Facebook, di ba? Yung boyfriend niya, nasa barko. Seaman. Tapos nag-cheat siya sa may, ano, pinicture niya, gano'n. Tapos tingnan yung reaction ng mga madlang people. Ah, bitch, whore. Pok-pok. Di ba? Sabi ko, bakit naman sila ganito? Because they never understand the social dynamics and how girls respond sa mga guys. Okay? That's why I don't want you to be like the seaman or the old student of mine. Next one is sub-communication skills. Yung sub-communication skills is something na hindi mo nasasabi, something action. Di ba sasabihin mo, okay, do you like me? Tapos sasabihin ng girl, di ba? O sabihin niya, I hate you. Tapos hindi mo alam magbasa ng sub-communication na gusto ka niya pala. Right? You should know. Halimbawa, may girl na yan. Sobrang niloloko ka na niya. Tapos hindi ka, alam mo niloloko ka niya, may ka-text siya. Hinahanap na ako ng nanay ko. Tapos tingnan mo yung ano niya, yung cellphone niya, baby, wait lang. Diba? Hinahanap na ako ng nanay ko. So, go lang na, sige na, alis ka na. Diba? You're gonna learn sub-communication with women. Next one is how to build relationship, connection, and trust. Okay? In pick-up, in this kind of seminar, most of us don't know how to build relationship. Karamihan sa atin, we know how to pick up. Like PUAs, we know how to pick up. The problem is how to build relationship. Right? Alam mo yung nandyan ka na. Alam mo yung gustong-gusto mo yung girl. May nangyari na sa'yo. The problem is, bakit nawawala pa siya? Right? Bakit siya nawawala? Guys, I'm telling you, I'm gonna teach you like how to make, trust me, this is gonna be like bragging, but how to make them like beg just to be with you. Trust me. It's like, please, team, please, dito ka na lang, please. Alam mo yun, parang, shit. Sa society natin, lagi na lang, girls. Pag may ginawa ang girls, sasabihin nila, alam mo yung pag in a relationship, pag nag-cheat ang girl, ang ano ng tao, siguro, yung mga friends niya or yung mga girls na katulad niya, sasabihin nila, loser siguro yung guy. Satisfy. Right? Pero pag nagloko yung lalaki, player. Playboy. Di ba? Ano ba yan? Manloloko mga lalaki, di ba? But pero hindi nyo ba na-realize na mas maraming girls ang manloloko? Realize nyo yun? You wanna know why na I know? I approach maybe maybe 50,000 girls na. I approach them high, and then half of them, I like, naging friends ko na ganon. Then, may mga nag-cheat sa asawa nila. I swear, may boyfriend sila pag nag-CR, kakatapos lang namin sa CR, pagbalik niya, close na naman sila. Lifetime ng isang girl, they're gonna have sex, like average of them, like karamihan, like maybe 80% ng mga girls, they're gonna have sex with 35 to 50 na guys. Okay? Believe me or not, trust me. If you don't believe me, that means you never date girls yet. Karamihan sa kanila, they're not gonna tell you. They're just gonna say 3, 4. Yan lang. 3 and 4. How many girls you fuck? 3, 4. Trust me, may kakilala ako. Akala ko sobrang ihin-hin niya. Kasi, talaga. Init. Right? And then after we had sex, nilagay niya yung pangalan ko sa cellphone niya. Number 15. Sabi ko, ano yan? Ikaw yung number 15 ko ngayong year. Ibig sabihin yan, kinakount mo? Oo naman. So, ikaw hindi mo ba kinakount? Nilabas ko yung ano ko. I want you to be like know how to handle relationship. Like, alam mo yung hindi sila mag-cheat kahit na anong mangyari. Sino may girlfriend ngayon dito? Okay. You need to know your girlfriend's personality. How they game, how they gonna treat you, yung routines nila. Because in relationship, makukuha mo yung routines nila eh. The way you text, if you know sub-communication, sabihin na, babe, punta ako sa ganitong oras. Sinong kasama mo? Sila. Right? Pag hindi mo alam yung number ng mga friends nila, you fuck. Pero may mga girls rin talaga na straight. Okay? Na nag-hook sa sayo, na sobrang gustong-gusto ko niya, na kahit na pag-approach pa lang ng girl or ng guy, nire-reject na. Pero may karamihan ng mga ganon usually, yung mga party girls. Yung sinagsasabi na yung mga party girls, sex lang ng sex? Not really. And learn not to freak them out. Yung alam mo yung makikreepy sila sa inyo, yung parang, alam mo yung facial na to? Alam mo yung facial na to? Parang, nakikreepy sila. Or, hinawakan mo sila sa kamay, tapos bigla siyang, alisin mo. Right? Or hinawakan mo sila, tinitingnan mo sila, parang, ganun. Or, hinahag mo sila, tapos, inaalis nila. The uncomfortable feeling na nararamdaman nila. Alright? You need to learn how to handle that kind of thing. Knowing your value and hers. Alright? Most of us kasi, pag sobrang ganda yung set, you don't know your value anymore. Kilala niyo si Aslan? Yung kalbong maliit? Maliit na nga, maliit pa, etits. Alam niyo ba, pag nagmamasturbate, kanina katabi ko matulog, tinitingnan ko. Di ba usually pag kagigising natin, tigas yung atin? Nakaganyan lang sa kanya. Ano ba ito nga? Naka-boxer lang. Gaganyan ko sana, baka lalong lumubog. Hindi na lalaki. May game yun. Ngayon, siya sumundo kay Ellen Adarna sa airport. Ito pa malapit Nasa van sila. Tinatry niyang kunin ng video. Parang... Alright? Tapos nung nasa Gmall daw sila, alam mo yung feeling niya na artista rin siya kasi kasama niya artista. Like... Alright? So, when they talk, parang, kumusta ma'am? Ganon. So, she's putting her on pedestal na. So, hindi niya makukuha yun kasi you should like talk to her like Fred. Okay? Isipin mo si Ellen Adarga, si Fred. I like your tummy. Your tummy is kind of big, girl. Gano'n mo si Ellen Adarna ka, matatawa lang siya sa'yo.